What do you do, y'all? Welcome to my channel once more.
Winning number
Let's
this
go for
time
another
is
session.
15. Black loaned number part of
And
was under
we need to
06
finish
from
this
the
session at
second assigned column.
129.24.
Many
Let's call
countries
it
to the
130.
winners, the bets are open. Black.
So I've got half an hour to play. Already got some numbers on it too. Let's see what's gonna happen.
The bets are closed. Black.
So 515, 515. Okay, so we got 10 unique numbers and we got 17 nameless. Two, four, five, five, row.
28 black.
28. Wow, that's neither. Mm,
The winning number is
right, so
28.
we're gonna go
Black
with unique
line the
numbers.
number part was under 06 from the third dozen and first column. Many compliments to the winners, the bets are open. Black.
Mm, that's it. Right, so this is gonna be the first, what's going on here? Oh man. Right, so we're back. And what happened there? I think we lost that play. We started with 124.73. We got 123, so we lost. Number 30, 28, 34 came out. 28, 34. It was a hit on 17 neighbors, but not on the unique numbers. Okay, so that's correct. We lost anyway.
16 red.
16. Ah, man. God damn it. 16 red. Okay, we got black even low coming up. 2, 4, 6, 8,
The winning
10.
number this time is 16 red, low the number tier 6 and part
That
of
would
the
be a
second
hit
dozen in
on
first
third
column.
spin. So
My
28 was a
compliments to our
miss.
winners, the
No,
betting time is now open.
um, 34 was a miss. But the second play would be a hit. And 16,
The bets are
16 was
closed.
solo. That wouldn't be a good hit, but at least we would make some money back here. But anyway, it happens, right? Right, so we have, which is it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8.
6 black.
Ah, god damn it. Damn, this is jinxed. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I was about to getting this bet already, so the bet would be this one.
The winning number this time is 6 black,
God
low the
damn it.
number of line
It
6
came
and
out.
part of the first dozen in third column. My
Anyway,
compliments to our
it's
winners, the
gone.
betting time is now open.
Seems like I'm a bit late for this party on this table. Right, so let me hop out, go to a new table.
The bets are now closed.
Right, we got a few plays here, so the ball has not been landing down here. Well, 30,
Winning number
it's a
is
hit
winning number for the
somewhere. Oh
spins.
no, it's not.
30
Ooh,
red, high number
we got
11 part of
20, we got
the second
28,
session. My compliments I goes to all the
20
winners.
and 28 neighbors.
I'm going to invite you to place your next bet now. Betting time is
20.
open for you.
Okay, sheesh. We're gonna go like this.
Bets are closing soon. I wish you all best of luck.
Hmm,
Our
where's the
winning
hit?
number is
Swan. Okay,
20 black,
Swanee
high
is a
number
double
11
hit.
part of orphanite
Cool.
section. My compliments
Oh,
I goes to all the winners. Well done.
126. I think we need to
And
be at
place your next
130.
bet
No?
now. Betting time is open for you.
Yeah, 130.
Are you ready?
Um,
No, my best. Thank you. I wish you all good
okay,
luck.
we have 29 neighbors. and 28 neighbors. 29, 28. I'm gonna go for 29 neighbors.
Only winning number is
27 again.
we're back into your section. The winning number for this spin is 27. Red high number, not part of the tier section. My
All right, we're gonna go 29 by 5.
I would like to invite you to
Put a
place
square
your bets
here,
now. Betting time is up
square
for
there.
you.
And that's the first
And we
spin.
wish you good
This
luck.
is 15 right there. So if it hits 9, 12, 9, 12, 28, 29,
Winning
31, we might wrap it up. 35. Oh,
Betting
35
for
is a
this
hit.
spin is 35.
Okay,
Black
so I just
number
need to
may
make
not
one
part
buck.
of was on the zero section and also to the
35.
game. My
Kill
compliments to our
everything.
lucky winners. Well done. Please place your next
So we got 21 by 5 coming up.
open for you.
Right out low. 1, 3, 4. Okay.
No, my best, thank you. I wish you all good luck.
So we gotta wait. Okay, we got a play coming up. Let me show you what we got. We got red even low and black even low. So those two plays are good. Oh, this is red even. Okay. Red odd. Red even low is 12, 14, 16, 18. So from the next spin, we're gonna have the trigger. So this is gonna be the play. There'll be no squares because we already know, right? So the squares only covers one number, apart from this one. Whereas when you're playing a square on blacks, it covers two numbers.
Our winning number for this spin is 18 red.
God damn it. God damn it. Guess what number came out? 8 freaking team. Right, so we got black evens. God damn it. I was getting ready for it. So black even is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well, it's the same 10. You catch two numbers. Yeah, two numbers, two numbers. So I was wrong. And guess what? Black freaking even. Oh, no! Ah, man. What the hell? So number freaking 2, I was about to getting ready. Ah, jeez. Look, number 2 right there. Ah, you just killed my 2 plays. This is frustrating. This is just messed up. This is messed up. I was getting ready for it. So I lost the 18 and now I lost the number 2. It seems like the game is reading my plays. Okay, we got 20 by 4. So that's going to be the play here. 20 by 4. And hopefully this will be the last play. Just need to make a few cents in order to complete the session.
That's our close.
So first spin. So if it hits on first spin, that will be great. Let's see how it goes. 19.
Winning number
I'm
is
gonna go for the
19.
second
From
spin.
on the zero section, congratulations. To all the winners, bets are open.
So this group is missing for 16 spins.
That's our close. Good luck.
Eight. Yes.
The winning number is 8 block from TS section.
Third
Congratulations to
spin.
all the winners. Place your bets.
So this will take us right on the dot. 130.
bets are closed. Good luck.
Okay, looking good. I think, yeah, number 9. Right on the dot, 130
The
01.
winning number is 9 red
And
from
that's it.
Orphaline section.
130.01.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Okay, we
Please
made
see your bets.
4.23% on this session. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.